Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I got a mobile order for Ken Rogers. Yes. Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're doing Chick-Fil-A today, guys. This is their, if I can remember the name of the honey pepper pimento cheese chicken sandwich. It's very messy. I'm gonna set it down here. I'm gonna get it over here where I can manage it and not make too much of a mess. So if it drips, it's just on my hand. All right, guys, the pimento cheese is scaring me to death, but I gotta try it for you guys. And of course, it's got the bun, it's got jalapeno peppers, it's got honey on it, which I'm excited about. And what I'm most scared of is, what I'm scared about is the pimento cheese. And let me tell you why. Growing up at Christmas time at my grandparents' house, pimento cheese was a staple. Interesting enough for Christmas Eve, huh? My grandparents lived through the Great Depression, and they were dirt poor. They come through it all right, but that dirt poor never left them, regardless of how well they did. And I think you can, if you know someone that lived through the Great Depression, they'll probably tell you a similar story. And they ate a lot of pimento cheese. They ate a lot of bologna sandwiches, ham sandwiches. Even on Christmas, they didn't have the big turkey dinner that most of us have, or ham, or whatever. We went to grandmother's house on Christmas Eve every year throughout my whole adult young life, until we lost both of them, eating pimento cheese sandwiches and ham sandwiches and bologna sandwiches. And she would even cut them into little quarters and display them out on the table. There's beautiful, great memories of the family, but pimento cheese was one of those things. I ate once in a while when I had to eat it, but that's really the only time. So guys, so that's where I'm at. So let's look at this sandwich, get back to the sandwich. But that's my fear of pimento cheese. Not fear, but just looking at it, I don't know if I can show you. There is a few, maybe 3 jalapeno peppers. Get this off. I'm assuming there's honey on there somewhere, and there's definitely pimento cheese on that. Oh, I can smell it. I can smell those jalapenos too. Good helping. Yeah. So you know what? I'm just gonna dive right in. I'm gonna get my sandwich. I'm just going in. I'm going in with it. It's gonna be messy, so I'm curious to how it goes with this chicken, though. Let me get where I can get a good bite of that pimento cheese. And it's dripping. I'm glad I got this. All right. That's interesting. Because it had the jalapenos on it, I did not get the spicy chicken just because I was afraid of it. I'm gonna do another bite. I'm not sure. Ooh, this one has pepper in it. That was a better bite. You know, guys, pimento cheese by itself, no. I actually think it works with this sandwich, guys. I really do. I would have never put that together. Get a drink. Coke Zero. I would have never put that together as a sandwich. But Chick-Fil-A sure did. That's pretty darn good, guys. Yeah. I think I like that. I do. I really think I like it a lot. Man, we got, of course, we got the waffle fries, and that's it. Got some Chick-fil-A sauce here. I'll use that for the fries. But guys, there you go. Have you guys tried this one? Tell me what you think in the comments. You tried this one at all? Because I tell you what, I'm digging it. I might even order that again sometime. Guys, thank you so much. I've seen this on the menu. I've been wanting to do this for a while. This has been out for a while now, and I'm just now getting around to it. So I'm a little behind on my food review videos. So it's all right. Bear with me. We're getting caught up. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you as always. I'm enjoying doing these food review videos. Do them as often as I can. And guys, we'll see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.